Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been drowning in pet hair, cereal crumbs, or muddy footprints that magically reappear, stick around because in the next few minutes I'll show you why the Roborock S8 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop might just be the smartest cleaning sidekick you will ever own. And yes, the full written article with even more details is linked in the description and pinned comment. Now let's be honest, nobody wakes up excited to vacuum. Unless you're training for the cleaning Olympics, most of us just want spotless floors without the back pain or wasted weekends. That's exactly the problem Roborock built this powerhouse to solve. So here it is, the scoop. The Roborock S8 Max Ultra isn't just another robot. It's a cleaning beast. With 8,000 pace suction and a Flexi-arm mop scrubbing 4,000 times per minute, it doesn't just wipe, it deep cleans like a pro. And real life? It's messy. Dogs that shed like it's their career. Kids that turn your kitchen into snack stadium. In my case, I moved into a new home with laminate and tile floors, plus 2 highly reactive herding dogs. The S8 Max Ultra navigated like a champ, avoided my dogs, and earned their respect. No barking, which is honestly a miracle. This robot isn't clumsy. With its obstacle detection, it actually sees your home. It spotted charging cables, recognized my bathroom scale, and cleaned rugs without dragging them around. Sure, it once tugged my modem's power cord, but that was my fault. I hadn't set a no-go zone yet. Thankfully, the app makes it simple. And speaking of the app, it's brilliant. You get a detailed map of your home, and you can schedule cleaning by room, time, or even just say, "Alexa, ask Roborock to clean the living room." That's multitasking magic. What about maintenance? This is where the Ultra earns its name. Thanks to its self-emptying, self-washing dock, you can go 6 weeks without touching a dustbin. The dock empties, washes, and charges, basically doing everything except babysit your kids. Here's the real value. It's not just about clean floors, it's about time. As a mom of 2 boys, this robot saves me from muddy shoes, cereal disasters, and juice spills. If you don't have kids, trust me, pets, roommates, or just life will still make you grateful for this machine. Is it flawless? No. The Wi-Fi setup only works with 2.4 GHz, so you may need to split your network bands. But once it's connected, it's rock solid. So to wrap it up, if you want the best robot vacuum and mop with raw power, intelligent navigation, low maintenance, and features designed for real homes, the Roborock S8 Max Ultra is worth it. You're not just buying a vacuum, you're buying freedom from pet hair, crumbs, and endless mopping. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart home tips, and don't forget. The full article with all the extra details is linked in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and here as to cleaner floors and more free time, because life is too short to chase dust bunnies.